Yes, Delight Multimedia YouTube channel okay TikTok kama can meetika neno wake ye of course ke you mamegwa man the decks behind the decks and the mics of course nino dujo watching mabebe ke MCs ke DJs kama no wa Jamie Mapol nino dujo kai chile restaurant ilego menu chigi keli ingiu chi iwachi umina riu mchele we kuvuga obed manoriye ento penge anga manoteru vuga enoni wangi akeli jo materu uvuga in music industry ena ye DJs and MCs indi nela we don't cherry we abam tika yomuchwinyi ento jeni makani weke yong la we enu binu we abam we kumini mural jone benegitie wakati la we do bibino kena mapigi luo ena luo atami nano kena feeling awkward la we bina we abam en bene pobi ye binu wati o ko ngato motirolwa kedai wangchawa man atieki MC Lucky ento enobi tuju nye kikome weronge en mogaramo keto introduction mogumano tie nocho umera joli
boy amaro kiti chako kwela
yes
it's so impressed and then I love it.
Thank you ajoli mada decks behind the decks and the mics amete kinyote kongbo joma gitika nanwa konginge angama tikere
and nya kikome ma tie national ID eloni Lucky anywa ma aka MC Lucky we madong leng lag ko malame Uganda NRN.
Okay. Kwati nini?
Paupe ati mayom
ati nanone moti makonere mabeje
yom stress about naka.
Yes. So the ladies wine binu nini?
Actually nying enoni commonly and karaman nying ngadmo chako nying about Dr. Freddy.
Dr. Freddy.
Long time I didn't even know why, because you're creating my Facebook account. Actually most of my account no you're creating long time carry made the link.
Yes.
Chako the events of MCing no ka arty with stage. I moves a lot of ladies, you know, and ladies scream, do what I get a lot of support. Keyboard bora nyera kachel kimon. So the guy, I don't know what came into his mind to say, "Lemse like the ladies wine." I think because I always moves with ladies that
ladies, you move them.
Yes, so I think it's good to go. I just started using it. Ginmo we are no pamatic because Madam go when actually on radios when they're advertising. You're gonna be the event's going to be hosted by MC Lucky the ladies wine. Now I don't know. Daddy you go in got pay la. I don't like it.
Yes. Okay. But to again when you MC Lucky Mati kere MC Lucky gangti kwene.
My biological father aki Kitgum.
Okay.
Ikamagelone lumule ati karapai vule. Meno gangpa waragi iti lumule Kitgum districts, Kitgum municipality. Mamana aki lao kamagelone kwania. Sub county Mageloni Nomo. Village Mageloni pyramid. That's where my mother comes from. So my combination of two great clan, my lao Karachil Acholi. So well, but much of my time I grew up with my mother, and I really appreciate it because actually by Pinar Poldano majority of the people, and I love it because when you say that, I'm proud of my mother. See, she made me who I am. Chunkweda, macharane Latin kanymalo. You need to make him be with her, then the family is together. So, but gangwai come Kitgum, kamagalo lumule.
Okay.
Latin by vule.
Yes. Again, when you and la pen en uberu madung to 12.
A lot. There's a day my uncle was driving or aki kirandongo. So earling obey morga, but people were discussing. Let it long go. Earling motiwa do madungo gulu naro. Eruti along come ukea. Latin palamera. One I Kitgum. So he actually moro. Come many di lao. Uruti actually no yiranga. Tando lingirwe. The people want to know you.
Yes.
They know you silver and as if you were in silver.
My as if paying
you even got surprised. Kadong ana silver be. But don't know again. I got it. And don't know. So you cannot even avoid them because
it happens. Yeah. Well, I mean, you see, there's a lot more someone can start telling your story. Kitaguko, kitukwana unkere, kituberu unkere, kiturim. Yet pu beru bene from kamoki kan bene gino mo pe mo rebu, but simply because dano.
Mago be furi winyi actually you want to be, because ka don't get lock nyeng lucky. Ka na contribute o gitawe in this guy knows.
Nge story pa lucky madam. Yes. And then watika waraji for this now MC Lucky indong ichako donyo this industry which year madong kiti chako kere donyo to be an MC.
And okay, from day one I've been a great entertainer. Remember Nera Mono Tiema EP3 ka function tikin gang. Choti yu kwere menga ko ngaja. Ando aru chuwal mama check chuwal manu pebeni adarba. We in one can and we cut a tin not atiyo ni na dek. No away no wang ba mielo matek. So don't jog in no temu tiu kwere potindi any. Charo kwere te gangogi te ngogi any. You know choko Jimmy kukono chiana gi kono bingo endo. So I started entertainment when I was still a kid. Yeah. So it has been in me, even from the high schools. I've been entertainment prefects for all day long, from Senior 1 to Senior 6. I've never contested for any post.
Wow.
Yeah. Jomo kwa kwere town college, no. King James knows. Comprehensive college, they know. I've been an entertainer. And kamoy ken ma de yeka jo kamo bere. Bino kape uye wade kuno. Bino down to your gathering, you ask yourself what you gather nearby this person. Alatin mudi moda yisina wanti achona watinya kama sina for.
Vibe tech.
I just there and you know Dano Jao marry from nowhere. Yeah? Everyone big want to be near you because of what you do. But personally in my life, and I grew up in the church. I didn't even know I was going to be an MC because most of my time I spent it a lot in the church. You're a keyboard playlist, I'm a keyboard playlist, I'm a guitar playlist. I wear church ma. You go to Kitgum Diocese, ask about.
Wow.
Yes.
Imagine, then come.
Go to Kitgum Diocese, ask about me. Bishop Kitara Makumbende Kitani.
Yes.
He was my diocese secretary. So I did a lot of that, and I was a kuna agi gankwane. I'm a Sunday school teacher. Much of my life, I grew up in the church. I love being a church person and everything. Well, actually, I can where I was gonna be a gospel artist. So when I came into Guru, that was 2010. Finishing Senior 6. Adara chao na nane kwa. You don't think you can do inde kwano. Senior 6 you cannot temugimoya. Chao SIM card behind again orange and.
Yes.
Yeah, Paul Domaria Madon Kumbere, TRTJ, QFM. He was our general manager, you Orange. I remind you, I didn't see a 6 months ago. My
office,
yes.
In Main Street, can you?
And a char SIM card. So because of Nadman, why can you chat SIM card in a this person is different. Ka promotion, me Orange, Bino, Orange, Market Day, they always give me the chance. I remember by that time, official MC pa Orange Bedo, MC Rock. By the way, MC Rock is big in this entertainment.
It's good. Yeah. Easier.
So, give me na courage, advertising for the thing, but I do it well. So, not more well, and personally identified, I think this person has the talent. He needs to be groomed and formed well by Juma Jami. That was 2013.
I remember, yes.
Passionate of being an Arsenal fan, a cherry bar page. It was, I think, in the Careno Arsenal FA Cup. So, Juma Peto no Ngaramo Matotimo, just a road drive for Guinea. See, we pony more aerobino Kayobo router, me Guinea, Mega FM. You know, advertising the things in get veranda me orange. Identified some voice and the career and go make the team. Anyway, no, this person can do me anything. So he picks me. I out in the road drive. Me arsenal things. We went up to Bar Peje. The guy after finishing he could not believe. You are low right now. In another way, you need to take a better talent. Because whatever you have done just today, okay, it is a second time man in any. We are no immediate him at the veranda. Tina Nana Meteo. I think you there's something you're sitting on it which you don't know. Juma don't chow kwanya. By the way, when I started doing it, konge lua mere curtain raisers kikan. Lua make and gina juma waja mere gina chela can please never lose focus in any opportunity you get. Ti get my bed. Don't you stay child young no doing it when remember you're entering a stage where 1,000 people. So yes, all focus on you. Pay time me hand for a dozen teen. I don't know anything. Be there. Do what is necessary. We can correct you later. Take a your performance, pap. I don't want Silver to come and tell me, man, today you did good. No, because I know what I wanted. Tell me, come a party on my bear. I will be okay with it. So, atimo kume sometime atiyo no juma chao neno ni ake. I think I need to promote this boy slowly. Till end the link actually. Manager me PI to it. By then was Frank.
Frank, yes.
Kiyubo functions by Juma Library is more. So Juma has been and a bit while attend job by Juma. You Silver don't ni karacha gawa li mia beach kuya. Kada been borale karami ali pia. By the way, Juma don't chulugi no magoro in northern Uganda MCs.
It's true.
And I don't think Kajo Moken MCs Moken Pego Yabuangi, they will remain like that. Because they don't know what they want. Because Juma would even go and negotiate. Because I know what I wanted. By that, no party apart for China by that time.
What you wanted is the platform.
I wanted the platform. I want to be there. Advisors not to use vulgar language, don't use alcohol, don't use drugs. I've never I grew up when I don't know it. So when I Karmana MC in Kajo we jump for Johnny, that's how they describe me. That's my dress code. I grew up Mangoni. Ginaru Wang should be presentable in front of everybody, whether Lunyodo, whether categories, meaning, but I'm only 80% per Joma being functions, but Joma down. Joma has reasoning, So we are centering myself to dress in a different manner, like other people won't think of be. So that's how it comes in. So Frank could identify in one of those events. See why that? Or why you get DJ Emma? By that time, DJ Emma was still at Pia.
Yes.
Why go and identify for me that MC yesterday, Muti Ledeng. So Giluai Pia too. That was 2015. We have seen something in you that I do not want you to waste it. Can you join us? So, only one DJ join. We have people who can bring testimony. Giluai was strictly Meluo night. Actually, Guinea tell Gimoma to beyond loan at you're nothing. Yes.
Yes. And I remember loan nine for event for tika chaka. And
by that time, singing a chakan but get him singing at the big table and go and wear chuli tomo. Nothing else. So, and Kidir my we any man joining Pia when no. What is the ethic of being doing them low night? Low night is not about go away chuli, you go away loud, go away low. Why don't we bring them? So, under the perspective, my party, no, it's not about bringing artists. We do the cultural things. That's why I storm northern Uganda, because I does it a different way. In a club, remember, PI2 was the biggest club.
Yes, yeah.
So, imagine no down there, go while money, no pong, I walk, take a job in the UK. PI is a place to be.
Yeah.
So, I picks up from there, lockdown, everything. So, slowly, as Dana Mano Mel Fonye, why Juma, then Fabulous, why now? I see I need to join a corporate event. So it put there 6 months or 1 year to learn what to do on a because being an MC doesn't mean it bars.
It's true.
It shows. That is a wrong perception. My fellow MCs, Tamani, and MC me bed mare kalungulu way can But not knowing being a corporate MC has a lot of money than the clubs. You see? So when I realized that, because I never chilling Majuma Gino to the corporate events, Chamber Fabulous Gino in a corporate event, I said, no, I need this. And I never go wrong. I picked started from that from 2019 up to now. to be honest. Can you watch yen corporate MCs? And you are taking job I'm not proud of who I am, but I just know what I want and I know what I want to achieve. Can you watch in a honest truth? The corporate MCs, Mati, actually, we are not power karang when.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
It's because Machel, when we know what is called being a corporate person, then with the club things, Kanati stage is a different person. When I'm doing corporate thing, is a different thing. No. So that's my journey, and I have testimony about being an MC up to this time, 2026. I know what the fields of MC has done for me, and here you me, because I've never lose focus, and I will not leave it.
Wow, again when you eronyiglok ma mwanya tiramo kivot MC lake. Amita po wini of course MCs gamente recognizing by the such events and kineno mot bene gamente ngeo ngo magitimu John bene yubgi mukene angene cha mukene kutiti beno yoke ke muchoro manotie in your business. So Lucky ibi watchwa what had been your event me you didn't expect Magilwe watching is this me going to do this event? If you can remember PNTA Muka is just like a gig mama meanwhile tomorrow I have this gig. I'd never done it in my life Tiana Machel, but I want to prove to these people I am worth it, and since then you never looked back.
There are two events. One is a corporate one, then one was a club thing. That was 2017? Belgium, yes. Imagine the entire Uganda was focusing in northern Uganda. And Belgium, but there's no any events which is bigger than Belgium's in other lock events.
Yes.
No. Out of all the MCs, because you better get down very close. That time was Aka Robert. Was general manager.
Yes.
Short team identifying, and when I was nominated to be the host of the Belgium, Silva Ngioma Kwokmono Bino from nowhere, you're going to host Chameleon, you're going to host Baby Cool, first time hosting the biggest event, my stage, and you say, what? I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't do drugs. I go and paint your Lego. When I step on stage, the only thing I'm at team or enemy, a team identifying a DJ will understand me. That was Frisco. That was Frisco.
Yes.
When I enter on stage, I'm an entertainer. I'm not an MC only. I'm an entertainer. I'm a dancer. I don't on stage because I wanted to me. Kadung tia na my chiel buberu gimobo well and kuona lock. I will start it from here. Till then, trust me. No any events by UBL, no one will ask it apart from me. Because I can't pay UBL. But why do you think UBL still give me business till tomorrow? Because from that event, I cheer Leonie again. Because Johnny Gia I can't pala and I'm one of the person much I advocate in Nicolomon Munucha, Omero Biruaki coach we can pala, Chubria we can pala in Pobo team in entertainment field. So we always sit in a meeting like that where all the UBL thing is hosted by me. Count one party in my bed, I would be. That would be the last of me. Still then, but why quite 2017, we're up to now. Another biggest one, Obedo Nyompa Sam Atenlao is a doctor. Onyoma Kenyans the doctor also. It was Royal Shoot of Golobi. Imagine Donyo, he will tell me working lift. You put your first time, you didn't know you're going to reach Kampala. Okay, you can go to Kampala, fine. So Kampala is a normal thing.
Yes.
But you being a Bugolobi, a Royal Shoots, it a working lift. I mean, amid his doctors, Jomadon, by then all near it, Kenyans. So look at the categories people who are Kenya being. First of all, labor might be too quick. And then don't take a corporate defense lawyer and labor might be too quick.
The language matters.
Carry la chon and allow pay below allow for even 10 minutes. You know, because Dao is a Kenyans. Menyuri Kiswahili mier bedo maduong di Kenya. Lemono mier duong di Kenya. Lem lang beti Kenya. So think about that. Being a first timer on that event. If you don't know where you're going to start it from. But I was happy. Imagine, that was the first, I could say in it, I don't did my time in that time, you know. That being paid 3 million a time was a joke. Wow. From Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we are in Kampala. Your transport, your accommodation, everything. That thing moves me. Chiawa any will love in the Karaba. Kimo again kekere chwinyi. Luba will always blessed it. Yeah. Wow. So those are the 2 events I will never forget. And Ginawi, because in Yoka Gimone, the one person who recommended me is called Cons. Cons competitive.
Cons lawyer? The lawyer?
No. Cons is near more you can you nang you can now let you nang colony again. I can't remember now. You may be to my beach. I think I have need to appreciate him for that. I go and do his event for free.
Sure.
Imagine. Just because Onera from my club, he didn't even know. He didn't know I was good on corporate events. He took me on a good gigs. I didn't even know I was going to reach there. So you in a can't.
All right, it can delight multimedia, of course, behind the decks and the mics. Yes, ngoma time inge kuja manikin DJs ki MCs tin of course atikila ki tika medeki bok wa wachwa industry enini jami mati ye kikita tika what kere. Yes, maybe gwari again everything there are challenges. Pian wengi peyone beru smooth peyone beru mafort. What was the major challenge my kede during your career? Because at least you have stayed in the industry, you build up a counting about the MCs Matekumalme Uganda. During that, again there are challenges somewhere. What are the challenges you facing during your career?
Coming up next.
What happens? Sincerely, you testing Jamie Mabe, you go to event, machine per coco.
You might quite tema, bro. Quack, Gumi Mapelar, we were down there where you were the problem. Second, the Mowaga, my wife, boy, Katawanji, and a desk pick a China team, and a command command. Did not take a bar, by the way.
Wow. First, tell me the story.
Waberoki, those days, Oberga, Market when it's your pill. Oberga show, Ober auction. Then I get auction get pound of system as the next day we check take barato. Or when Jimmy get your pin what they go away my boy, one another Jimmy child, more over the garato, who you Jimmy can't teach.